Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make mayonnaise. All you need is lemon, salt, vegetable oil and egg. So let's get started. In a bowl I have 1 egg yolk. I'll be adding some lemon juice and also a pinch of salt. Now you have to mix the combined ingredients together, and I'll be adding the vegetable oil gradually. Gradually add your vegetable oil and keep mixing. Keep adding the vegetable oil and keep mixing it. As you can see, it's getting thicker, and you'll be adding your vegetable oil gradually until you get the consistency that you want. If you do not like it thicker, then you can also add a bit of lemon juice and vegetable oil. As you can see, it's now very thick. You can decide to stop, or you can decide to add more oil as you want. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.